Unsightly, unlevel sidewalks and patios can put a damper on your family's summer fun. Don't worry, it can be fixed. Stay tuned to hear about the concrete leveling process, mudjacking. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Mudjacking has been around for years. In this video, I'll explain what mudjacking is, if there are issues with mudjacking, and if there is another option. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. Mudjacking is a practice of drilling holes about the size of a silver dollar into your concrete, and then using pressure to lift that concrete back up into place and filling those voids with a substance that's made from ground up limestone and water mix. There are a couple of concerns with mudjacking. Number one is how heavy the mud is itself. When you're taking grind up limestone, mixing it with water, it almost becomes a grout type substance, which can add a tremendous amount of weight to a soil that's already failed due to the weight that's on it. The other big concern is with water over time, it can break away and just dissipate, therefore allowing your slab to settle again. Like anything in the world, technology makes things better. The most recent technology to address slab settlement is called slabjacking. It's using a polyurethane foam that's a closed cell unit to inject and use the foam itself to lift the concrete. Since it's closed cell, it's impenetrable by water, and it adds less than 1% of the slab itself to that soil that's already failed. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about mudjacking versus slabjacking? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.